Assalamualaikum, my name is Rizati.
Hi, my name is Aliya.
Hi, I'm Dina. And my name is Siti Aisyah.
My name is Aisyah Safia.
We are from book Fiqh Detective.
In making of this project, there are several problems that we can identify. First of all, students have limited exposure to criminal jurisprudence due to the lack of interactive and effective teaching aids in Fiqh Jinayat. Second, many students are confused when comparing crimes in civil law and Fiqh Jinayat, especially in terms of definitions, punishments, conditions, and categories of offences. Last but not least, studying alone causes stress for students and they need more opportunities for collaborative learning and revision with peers. Therefore, as a solutions, we create a games to make learning Fiqh Jinayat more fun and enjoyable. So this game is inspired by detective games combining interactive investigation mechanics with the study of Islamic criminal law, which is Fiqh Jinayat. So this game consists of 4 sub-games which are Mix and Match, Code of Jinayat, Justice, Peace, and the Judgment Labyrinth. So the total number of questions in the detective games is 120 questions. It contains questions of varying levels.
So these are our innovation features, which is Fiqh Detective, the Jinayat mission. First, innovation features for mix and match. It is inspired from finding picture scheme, but we change it to match to the correct answers. We use straw board and stick answer cards onto it using Velcro tape, and question cards also we stick with Velcro tape, so it will easier for students to paste on the board.
Innovation features of Code of Jinayat. The first one, the box is decorated to resemble a real crime scene enhanced with crime scene tips. Next, the concept of the file is similar to a detective case file. The last one, each envelope is crafted from color paper to represent different categories.
Innovation features of Justice Bits. First, it combines learning with gameplay, so students can enjoy while they learn. Second, the game is based on the traditional congkak, but includes questions on kisas, diyat, hudud and takzir. Third, it can be played alone or in groups, encouraging teamwork and communication. Fourth, it also helps teachers assess students informally in a more relaxed way.
Innovation features of the Judgment Labyrinth. First, this game made out of recycled boxes wrapped by old papers and designed just like the real maze. And then the picture near the hole represents the topic that will be asked. And we added variety of traffic signs to enhance the player experiences and make the game more intriguing.
Okay, how to play mix and match game? First, students will be divided into 2 groups. Both groups will be given question cards and they will have to paste them on the correct answer cards on the board. The group that successfully pastes all the questions and answer correctly will be given a present.
How to play Code of Jinayat? First, each student must select a secret word file to begin the investigation. Next, student must shine a light on the file to uncover hidden hints or evidence related to the case. Next, using the clues found, they will be given a case to analyze and solve based on Islamic criminal law. Lastly, the game ends when students successfully identify the crime category, supporting evidence, and appropriate rulings.
How to play Justice Bits. Players take turns as in the traditional congkak game, picking up marbles from one hole and dropping one in each hole. When a player's turn ends, they must draw a Fiqh Jinayat question card. The player must answer the question before continuing. If they got correct answer, player will continue their turn or keeps the marbles collected. The winner is the player with the most marbles in their home.
Students have to guide the ball through the maze without falling into a hole. If it falls, they must answer a question based on the picture near the hole related to Fiqh Jinayat topics.
After completing this innovation project, it has provided us with the following benefits. First of all, it enhances understanding of Fiqh Jinayat. It breaks down complex legal terms and concepts into fun and manageable learning activities. Second, it promotes active learning. This game encourages students to interact with the subject matter instead of passive memorization. Last but not least, it fosters team group and communication. This game encourages peer-to-peer learning, group discussion, and also problem solving.
That's all from us. Thank you.